Hey there, it's Mr.Blais with another quick tech tip of the week. I'm going to show you a quick one, obviously it's a quick tech tip, of how to better organize your Google Classroom. Just a quick one in terms of adding an emoji label, like I have the calendar icon right here. And I think this makes things a little bit more recognizable and easier for students and for yourself to figure out where things are on Google Classroom with us using Google Classroom almost every day. So easy way to do this is you're going to start off just by, you can create a new topic, or you can come down here and just select one. Like let's say I have this here, reference document. Select the three dots next to it, select rename. Now you just right click and then you have the emoji option. You can just scroll down, or you can just type in, like the name of your emoji here. Like I already have a word typed, I'm not going to change that. So if I'm just going to have like a reference document, I could find like this, a paper with a curl, that would work fine. Select that, then select rename, and there you go. There's the emoji next to it. You can always change it. And then while we're here on the other side, you see where all the topics are. Like let's say you wanted to have homework up higher on here. You can't drag these, that doesn't work. So if I come down here and I just take homework and I just left click and hold, I'm going to drag it up and keep going up higher. Sorry, it's getting a little wobbly here. And I want it right below the today section. So now if you look up here, it says today, and then it says homework right there. So that is the way you can organize the topics, and as well as organizing the labels on the topics using emoji. Another site you could use is Emojipedia. And to use that, you could just type in whatever you're looking for. You could type in soccer and you'd get soccer, and you select that, and then you select copy, and then you paste that copy into the topic title where we selected rename. And that's it. That's another one. Might have a few more emojis here than you did built in. So hopefully that helped you out and you get your classroom all nice and organized. If not for this year, for next year. And I wish you a great end of the school year. Take care.